to all the workers to the Sangathan has to be done at the district level. As a part of that, this is the first step to identify the right candidates for the district presidency, and then which will go down to the level of revamping the district committees, and then at the block level, and then at the ward level, at the functionary level also. We observers have the responsibility of looking into the implementation of the aspiration of the Aicc without any malice or any prejudice. We will take the opinion of the people, we will interact with the leaders, collect their opinions, and then in the presence of the Aicc observers also, we will finally prepare the final report to the Aicc. The Aicc would like to make DCC more functional, effective, because Congress always stood for the democratic values, to strengthen the democracy. The people aspirations have to be implemented, put into action, and always Congress stood for the welfare of the entire people of the country, including the backward class, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, minorities, women, and all the vulnerable sections, the support. It is the inclusive development which Congress always thinks of. It is the welfare of each and every person which Congress always keeps in mind. The Congress which would like to build the nation in this direction, and as a part of that, effective leadership is required at the district level and down to the final grama level, the panchayat level, at the local body level. And this is the reason the entire organizational restructuring is being planned by the Congress.